Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.
Understand?
At the function, I can't function. Yeah, I was late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah, 2 hours late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function.
2 hours late to the function. High as fuck, I can't function. Got the Drake for the function. Baby girl, you so hard, I can't function. Operative super when I function. 7 telling you when I function. Papa when it drip, they can't function. Come and get a lick, cut the water like a fountain. 2 hours late to the function. I got a curse for the fuck shit. It's in the G's, I like to fucking shit. I ain't go to work, pussy too sweet. New mama when I function. Copy my noise, I function.
Yeah, I was late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah, 2 hours late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function.
Yeah, we right in. Cypress jump in, I jump right in. Left the crime scene, by the angel dust. Never was on gas, drip super clean. 2 hours late to the function. Pull up, pop one, then I function. Pull up, pop for them, they can't function. Pull up, pop bottles, it's a function. Yeah, 2 hours late to the function. Yeah, I'm high as fuck at the function. Yeah, got the Drake for the function. Yeah, got the stick at the function. Yeah, 2 hours late at the function. Baby girl, you so hard, I can't function.
Yeah, I was late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah, 2 hours late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function.
Yeah, we're right in.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Ngakini on RadioDR.co.za.
Reporting Live Ngakini, it's your boy MJ. Reporting live high as a motherfucker. It's hot as a motherfucker. It's hot in this bitch, man. Ha 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 ha. Reporting live Ngakini, city to city, city to city. Shout out to Deeply Rooted, shout out to your boy Usilo. I'm with my brother, my player, my partner, my loved one, my nigga Elvy.
What up, gangster?
Nigga, what's good,
What
nigga?
it do, my dog? Correct more, ciao, Elvy, mchitangeni, logishi.
Fizz.
Trip it down, you ask now.
Trip it
fizz.
down, nigga.
It's a Durban experience season, dog, yo.
Tripping
22 it all, dog.
Fangelo AK Island is score up on a baguette. Stripping,
Straight.
the long way.
Man's
Strong
vibes,
way.
fizz.
The King Kong way all day.
You know what I mean, dog.
High as a motherfucker, man. Ha.
Sit down.
Get those in.
Ah, fizz.
First one, let's.
The feeling is mutual, my
First one,
brother. Stop doing it. But we live, yo.
First one live in a real motherfucking way, man. Imagine.
Insta, say live right now.
Gihleli na best friend yakho KK ngidlalela imfihlo. Some shit that you're doing with Celeste and Combs and all types of shit going on in this motherfucker.
Working,
Nigga.
Yes,
Nigga,
partner,
so
okay.
the last time motherfuckers heard you was from someone him last one, killing it.
Showcase.
Killing every motherfucking song you were on that motherfucker, man.
It's my birthday, so it's a
Shit, man.
It's the issue has now. We're back again.
The
New
long
year,
way.
new things. The
New
long way is
year,
over.
new day, new bay.
So,
20
it's a new chapter.
Hashtag 20 plenty.
I will fit a hashtag ngena ngevosho. Hayi bona.
Confess but you hate.
New day, new J, new bay.
I don't like it unless it's brand
New
new.
way, new phase, new wave.
Nigga, new hairdo, nigga.
New head, dude.
We heard you.
Do you have that hook ready?
Oh shit.
Now, nigga.
Oh shit. That
That's
is
the
a
hook
hook.
right there.
That's the hook right there.
told you I'm sick with that already. You done hit it up, yo. The chess master, AK, you know.
Shit, usabelenza ibhizi.
Mfethu usenzile vele usakazi.
Dog shit, man. I'm excited about this new shit that you cooking up, man. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, dog.
Abangazi bayazi ke bese at the function ngo December with him yawo.
Popping, dog.
Pull up ePhilani. Pull up at the Charlotte.
Ngakini.
Pull up ePark Zeni. Nigga.
You know, pull up late to the function, eh, boy.
Yes.
It's the standard.
Banjin Fez. Oh my god, I'm really fucking with this motherfucking song. It's at the function, dog.
Yeah, my brother, my play.
Oh my god on earth.
Just to start off the year, it's something saucy, something drippy, you know.
It's a motherfucking banger.
Big Nazi hip hop, yeah, it's a lot. It's too much, my dog.
Damn.
That's what kind of don't release face, but now this time the release game's on point, everything's on point. We got him.
What are you working on?
Right now I'm gonna drop a project which is before a project, which is called Just Before the Urban Experience.
Just before Urban Experience.
Yeah, so just before the Urban Experience.
Phase.
Khona enye isource of ukuyithola. Usangena nje kahle kahle le doctrine yabo. Uyangena uzokhuliswa la usikahle kahle kuhamba nje.
Prepare.
Yebo lotho mfethu.
Warming them up.
Ama Thursdays kahle kahle shake down Thursdays they return.
Warming them up, dog.
You know, but yeah, dog. And after that, we back with the Urban Experience, the official tape. That's the songs. The function is Obi Labo. We've got a lot of songs, dog. We just need to pick and choose. We ask again if it's trap, R&B, everything, the emotions, everything is in there, dog. So I figured I get piano just to represent about showcase.
I like this. I like projects like that,
dog.
Projects that are, you know, that take on a trip. Take on a trip rather than like monotone shit, you know. Yeah, but I mean, you're a South African artist and you definitely use it to your advantage, bro. With regards to the sound, in the source in general, dog. Oh my god.
That's your cheat, dog. You have to be you. You need a pen and jam.
That's what I'm telling niggas, dog.
So much. Yeah. But otherwise, this is a fresh sound. It's a total package. It's what it brings you. Even if you visualize it, you got hip hop, you got house, home. Yeah, boy, the piano R&B for the oil space car there. So it's an emotion trip. Yeah, boy, it's an emotion.
What's going on there? Yeah, the function.
You know how many moments you have.
She's so fine, I can't function. Whoa! The way I buy, but you must know. Money on my mind all the time. I can't buy your boy. You should got cards.
But no. Together, you know what I'm saying?
Hold up.
And this so tight,
I late at the function.
But she hot though. How is fuck? That's my shit.
I can't function.
You
should got cards for like 2 bars. That's what.
No, let me grab myself.
Just say the business.
Put yourself together.
Money on my mind all the time.
I'm a cheat, nigga. You know, that's right, dog. That's the whole point. In Mali, it's party pay. There's nothing else, dog.
High fuck.
God gave. What you asking? Must be a function. Reporting live
at the function. No, I'm fine.
I can fuck. She's so fine.
Whoa!
Hold up, shit, nigga.
Yeah, but I'm lost, man. In the sauce, man. I'm singing lost to the sauce, man. I'm bad. Side by side.
We're born and drinking and visualizing. The Sarafina woman.
Let's go to imagine. Funny you. Why,
so much I can't tell you.
I won't get home.
Tired and full of the
Hey, make him put
but you say chess now. What Jackie saying? Jackie knew we sing so that way.
Money on my mind all the time. I can function. But then call him over so. Yeah. Yeah, we're right. And then it trades super clean. No, we're I'm saying
I imagine to be on
Pay too.
Yeah, I'm born now. I'm born. It's so much
shit.
For the correct.
And you born in AKs, I know, bruh. beats ya switch up Elvis azobhala ngathi
Nah, nigga, that's that shit right now.
mhlambe sezo-eda mhlambe kwi-Durban experience there's gonna be like an extended full song mhlambe lesifaka uCombs
Nah, I got Combs and some other shit. Nah, ooh, yeah. That's the remix of
live quote me on that AK ushilo uzo-arrange lento le
Say orange, you know,
shit uzo
Nah, first I want now 11 and you get it, dog. Right now we're coming for everything. From the music. Oh my God.
Yo, hold up. Special announcement. I just want to thank Bonko Meshente. Shout out to Zonke Intomz all over. Shout out to Ope Abasha. Shout out to Ama Ex. Shout out to Okoko. Shout out to Oma Anteza. Shout out to laba baholile. Shout out to laba babolekile. Shout out to laba batransfer.
Abantu bethu face Santana nami bafese nyanga besikwazi kumemela Santana.
Sazovula nje iWhatsApp group.
And so sazonipha imali nezo kasikaqedi. Nasijabulisa bafese happy. Ayibo face kancane lo.
Akusaqedi
Mina ngihappy ngani ngingayeki culture my dog.
Yazive solo ngoba sethekwini bese badedela style lapha legcineni.
Ungachazi mabrad, ungachaza.
Fully.
That's why face uke kulenye impahla there on futhi ke size function amantombazana. Kune instruction lapha rule number 1 to rule number 3.
So 1 2 3
ungaflop. Qala ngemali.
Ungale.
Yabo mase ucrack iweb. Mese uyatripa. Mese kube
Tripping scene.
Face my instructions now from the God himself.
No, but we're gonna drop a video talk soon.
Of course, dog.
No machine we call machine February or in Jan.
No, end of Jan right now.
For Cotton Fest.
Kahle it's fully vibration nje anyway dog yabo.
But say
amajita bethe ane merch out edge yabo so we're gonna do that thing.
I will also you're gonna organize that shit, yeah.
So just new abo first new fresh takes abo sibuye sizethekwini sidedele nye video vele face shibike yazi nawe shot so ukuthi nje on sikhiphe naye bodumu ama outside on
keep akwasali mina bese mhlawumbe ngisazovumbwa nje kwi-Cotton Fest
showcase
with the young Porsche. With the young Charmaine, you know what I'm saying? With the young something, with the young something, just for essays, with the young Nicole, so what?
Nikki, put it in their kidneys.
With the young Britney, so
No,
what? With the young Katlejo,
a young Tanzanian thing, you know what I'm saying?
The young Mozambican thing. She crossed the border, but she put that Portuguese. She put that Portuguese booty with her.
Ass out and everything.
And she don't mind.
She
don't mind.
As sublutes noma yini.
Yebo.
Mhlophe mnyama mawurice nje.
Ayikho likaphila mfana. Shout out to my nigga Umlingo. Pull up, shout out to your uncle. Shit.
Hey, shout out to the 318 lapho Jabanga face mid city yabo. Shout out to all the gang.
Reporting live again. City, man.
Everywhere we go, the trip is
But I think you know, I think I need to put that shit in the budget, bro. Just to go to Cotton Fest, get an artist, be like, yo, Reporting Live Ngakini podcast, RadioDR, deeply rooted. Deeply rooted sounds like a serious company, man. That's what they do. So this shit is serious.
For real? For real? Yeah. We all the way out here, nigga.
We all the way out here, man. Yeah, dog. First man getting a complete. But like, you know, we need to drop this shit, but before Durban experience shit.
Of course.
We need to drop the shit out of this bitch, man.
Now I want to okay, I'm probably gonna shoot everything.
Yeah, we should shoot everything, nigga.
Yeah, dog. Everything is ready, baby. Position. But finally flavor, international flavor, but if I change my coast, change in
Feds.
We're not stuck in here. We're doing.
But man, I tell you like with like the beach, dog. Shit, man. I'll be showing people that you don't know video. Motherfuckers think we in fucking Miami.
Hey, that's right. That shit's so clean. When I was born, that thing's so clean, though.
Father, so
all the babies, you wanna like that.
You don't know my name. So it's Cham.
As a Muslim.
Post it on Facebook. Yabona malike hami ngokwazi.
Eh, plus I'm a baby.
Confidence I'm now. I'm posting it.
I'm post. Trying to put my team up.
Face confidence now. Isiboostekile face ngiyabona ukuthi angene. Bese umuntu abuye ejimini.
That's right. Nah, Jimmy Bank dog. Get the gym dog.
Ngivele ngibe sex symbol.
Nah, nigga, Jimmy Bank.
Ngivele ngibe Tom Cruise. Ngivele ngibe Brad Pitt straight.
Fanele kubo.
Mina ngifuna imali ngifice yabo.
Fanele kubo uNdlovu. Boy benyathi. Ghost.
Fanele budlamini.
Ehlile kanje.
Fanele budlamini.
Imali yonke ngiyamfazi ngisho about 10 ngiyabasho lutho.
They know what's up.
Back tap.
Awushisa dog yami lapho.
Awusishisa over there.
Sengihleka kakhulu manje.
So function lapho ngisuthuma kanje so function. You catch the drill nigga?
Function man. Oh shit man.
Phela makufunction akujula kumuntu first. If you know you know.
If you know you know nigga, and if you don't know you better ask somebody.
That's right.
The right way. The King Kong way all day. Manje first let's talk about who you worked with on this project dog, like who you fucking with like.
Yazi my usual suspects mfethu. Phezu AK ngahlangaza mfethu yabo on some super classic shit manje with the dripping down yabo. Gwala ngam, you know the story. Cause everywhere you know me dog. Everywhere we go gwala ngam dog. They know the story very well.
Gwala ngam.
Yeah, well, so I called up somebody who knows anything, sure, not just which is a story, it's a movie, and it worked out perfectly, dog.
It sounds fucking amazing.
It's amazing. Everything is amazing on this song. The right way, dog. So man, just saying it. I've just did some shit. No coombs, no. Yazi coombs, person. All over the cop.
I want your cousin first.
It's for plastic. Is that
good? The sponsor said Jurex.
Ooh, that's right. That's funny, guys. It's funny monatic pen.
His sponsoration is pen. It's all about my.
Let me represent. Let me hold it down one time.
Me now you gonna need this.
This on me.
That's on me.
You see what you bring to this cotton fest? This is what I brought for you. Condoms, nigga. Stay safe.
You left the quick crowd.
Stay safe, bitch.
Stay safe, nigga. Here.
And then Spanish akubeka khona into nami ngiphethe to ayanda betheka pipi yabo lungihlanyela mibuda. My lesbian homie yabo inja qedile ingane kuphela.com yabo bese nje amehlanyela i-vibration kahle kahle vibration yakhe iyona le on bese piano vibe yabo first si on siyaphila siqhubeka sigcine khona and then my house gigs obviously standard message for my girls lambaji yabo you know we gotta do that yabo that sweet voice kuzoba unique yabo masuka khona last but not least bullshit. Manje.
Shout out to our producers.
You know what I'm saying? So the work is there. So we're menacing select so what I want on the project and what I don't want. But basically, so far, we want on things spanning our yeah.
No, got on production.
Okay, Mrs. Kulman, I'm a beating. It's just a game way.
Affected on that
affected soul sabelo bamasio. Yeah, boy, enja function did the things that made the parts. They're born just a whole lot of songs and I function me. Uphethe that vibe umuntu ongasekhaya vela shaya hlephe enye into grand ukuthi ngishange awusanga sejazini yabo mase womngane wamakude yabo mase mashile kahle kahle this is what uH emlazi this is the blueprint my nigga yabo showcase
this is what the hood is supposed to sound like in 2020
done right
20 plenty
yabo it needed the right guy and I'm out
nigga like that shit up nigga. You know it's good when a nigga talking shit
this shit got me talking
this shit so shameful
shit got me talking
nigga he hit one hit and he's been talking about his life ever since
cause that shit exciting nigga it's a vibe in itself just talking about it yabo.
Nigga but dumb so I can't imagine need more fucking videos man
of course
need more motherfucking videos talk out oh my lord on earth the right way the King Kong way
if it's possible everything dog because every song is a story in itself and your vibration
We need to fuck with those videos, man. Mina nje this year bengilibele ngizama ukuhlanganisa ama-video vixen.
Yeah.
We need to get about that video vixening game.
It's so important. Listen, it's so important. You need the girls. It's obvious.
It needs to come up with like, I don't know, like a team at KwaZulu Republic Girls or like Zulu Girls
Zulu
Incorporated, Zulu Booty Incorporated, Zulu Booty and Boobies.
Singer.com.
Vezing the Foundation.
Reporting live.
Reporting live.
So I think
no, it's an NGO.
Yeah,
it's an NGO. It's for.
Who wants some pussy?
It's Vezing the Foundation. It's an NGO, non-profit organization.
But on the real, every time you hear that tag, reporting live, you must know that's that copyright shit. Yeah, like it's authentic.
Yeah.
That's
Reporting live.
right. Just
Holding
so
it
know.
down.
Reporting live Ngakini.
Let them know where they can find you at Tokyo Facebook. On
Facebook, Facebook government, Londa, Elvy, Mina.
On Instagram.
And then
on Instagram is
Insta.
where the pictures at.
Oh, that's right. For the girl is nah.
I seen that on LinkedIn.
They need a special shout out.
Drop an email and let's say other beat makers who want to fuck with you. Maybe they want to fuck with you.
Yeah.
Send what is your email where they can send you some music at.
So my phone email address is londaLV@gmail.com. Standard thing. Says me check a little thing on guy. And then when it comes to
Instagram,
Insta or LV the future. And then on Twitter, it's also LVTHE the future. Future. So go Insta DA.
Hello, shout out to the ladies.
Shout out to the ladies.
Continue.
Of course. You want to come on Instagram,
Yes, at LV the future.
At LV the future.
Sure, Instagram. No, beso.
Around it. Yeah, I'm available.
Put that money up.
That's right, dog. You can hear the work, dog. We out here.
Nigga.
Otherwise, I'm speaking. Got Asian blast. They ask around, ask about me. You know me, I'm about it. First, no me leaving. So no mind for now. Come through.
Hashtag
we'll link you up. You're in the face. For real, I'm the plug for you, dog. For real. I'll plug you up. We need a link up.
It's your boy Elvy.
But the music is coming, dog. Elvy the future. Just before Devin. Of course, my nigga.
You must change it to Elvy the plug.
2020 Elvy the plug, nigga.
So yeah, man. Holla at your boy.
Yeah.
Before the Durban Experience
just
coming
before
soon.
Durban Experience. And
just before Durban Experience.
Shortly after that Durban Experience. But it's
Durban
away.
Experience, I see keeping it dip in July.
When I go, dog.
On the horse. Jump on the horse.
Anything is possible, my nigga. We out here say that dog. That's cool, Ziggy. That's cool.
Before the Durban Experience, Sazubamnand, holla at your boy, reporting live again. Hashtag RadioDR March.
Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.
Understand?
At the function, I can't function. Yeah, I was late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah, 2 hours late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function.
2 hours late to the function. High as fuck, I can't function. Got the Drake for the function. Baby girl, you so hard, I can't function. Operative super when I function. 7 telling you when I function. Papa when they trip, they can't function. Come and get a lick, cut the water like a fountain. 2 hours late to the function. I got a curse for the fuck shit. It's in the G's, I like to fuck and shit. I ain't go to work, pussy too sweet. No baba when I function. Copy my noise, I function.
Yeah, I was late at the function. I can't function. Young sir finish, she's so fine, I can't function. Money on my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah. function. High fuck, I can't function. Young surf feeling, she so fine, I can't function. Money in my mind all the time, I can't function.
Yeah, we right in. Cypress jump in, I jump right in. Left the crime scene, by the angel dust. Never was on gas, drip super clean. 2 hours late to the function. Pull up, pop one, then I function. Pull up, pop for them making function. Pull up, pop bottles is a function. Yeah, 2 hours late to the function. Yeah, I'm high as fuck at the function. Yeah, got the Drake for the function. Yeah, got the stick at the function. Yeah, 2 hours late to the function. Baby girl, you so hot I can't function.
Yeah, I was late at the function. High fuck, I can't function. Young surf finish, she so fine, I can't function. Money in my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah, 2 hours late at the function. High fuck, I can't function. Young surf finish, she so fine, I can't function. Money in my mind all the time, I can't function. Yeah, we're right in.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Ngakini on RadioDR.co.za.